In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form using Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to streamline the ordering process, whether you're managing a small business or simply coordinating a group event. Google Forms is a user-friendly, versatile tool that's completely free and can be customized to suit your specific needs. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Google Forms. You can find it easily by searching for Google Forms in your browser or by visiting the Google Forms site directly. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various templates. For an order form, you might want to start with a blank form, so you have the freedom to customize it to fit your exact requirements. Give your form a title. This should be clear and descriptive, so users know its purpose right away. Something like, order form for your business organization name works well. Providing a brief description that outlines the form's purpose is also helpful. You might include specific instructions or note important deadlines here. Now, it's time to add your questions. Think about the information you need to collect. Common fields include the name of the person ordering, contact information, and specific details about the order itself. To add a question, click the plus sign on the right-hand toolbar. You can choose the type of response you want, such as short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, or checkboxes, depending on the information you seek. As you input each question, make sure to label them clearly and consider marking essential fields as required so users don't accidentally skip them. This can be done by toggling the Required option at the bottom of each question. The next step is to add sections if you want to categorize questions. For instance, you might have one section for contact information and another for order details. Sections are a superb way to make the form organized and easy to navigate. Before finalizing the form, customize the appearance to match your brand. Click on the palette icon at the top to access theme options. You can choose a font style, add images, and select colors that reflect your brand's identity. A cohesive look makes your form feel professional and trustworthy. Finally, preview your form to ensure everything looks the way you want and that it's easy to understand. You can check this by clicking the eye icon in the toolbar. Once you're satisfied, hit the Send button to share it. Google Forms provides various ways to distribute your form, including via email or by sharing a link. By setting up an automated response or linking the form to a spreadsheet, you can keep track of orders effortlessly. Google Forms can simplify your workflow and ensure you are well organized. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making an order form on Google Forms. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.